ingredients: bread, scallion, eggs, and then Japanese mayo. You probably won't typically find milk bread at a local grocery store, so typical classic white bread will work great. You wanna keep it as white as possible. So I'm going to very carefully just cut our green onions in half because I am using it to garnish later. So I'm just going to, yes, we can use the white part, but it'll go, oh, wow, done. I'm always surprised. I'm like, that's already been 10 minutes? Yes, it has. So turn that off. Immediately cold water. We don't have to toast this or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is, I know that a lot of people cut the edges of after they fill it, which yes, I get it, but like this is a lot easier after you cut it off, so you don't have to like mess up anything, right? Yes, right. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm going to just put that aside. What I'll do is, this is Japanese mayo, which is different than American mayo because it is a bit sweeter. So I'm just going to, and it's very creamy and rich. So, and if you can't find Japanese mayo, just use full fat regular. Just wham that egg on the counter. Beautiful. So I'm going to grab my egg and grab 3 of these. Oopsie. Oh my gosh. Maybe one more. Yes. So my favorite way of doing this is just use a fork. You get this color, you guys. This is from my father-in-law's farm. It's so yellow. Oh my gosh. I love looking at it. It tastes so rich too. Now, this is time to add in our mayonnaise. So this is about a 1/4 cup. Yes, it sounds a lot, but that's how much you need for 3 eggs. So keep mixing it in. And you want this creamy texture. Okay, now time to add in our green onions. It's a mess. All right, so keep mixing it in. And do not forget to season this with salt and pepper. Just crack our fresh pepper. Always. And salt. So this is my favorite school lunch. What I'm going to do is just lay out our eggs like this. Okay. And it fits perfectly. And then just cover this on top. This is where I'm like, get a little anxious here. I'm like, oh, but don't press on too much. Make sure nothing's sticking out. If it is, just push it all in. Time to cut this. Now, how are you going to cut it, Yuna? Yeah. Oh, it's overfilling. So this is the finished product. Look how beautiful this is. Very colorful. I love accentuating the sandwiches in the middle with whole eggs. Just cut that right in half. It looks so gorgeous. And look at this yellow yolk. So make sure that you use amazing quality eggs. And again, if you can't find Japanese milk bread, go ahead and just use any white bread or any bread that you want. You want to bring out the creamy, the most authentic egg taste as much as possible. So this is it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this for dinner or lunch or as a snack. And I upload a new video every Tuesday. Hit the subscribe button for me when you get a chance and thumbs up. I'll see you at your next favorite recipe.